Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, ensure you have the right tools for the job. You will need a Phillips number 0 screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Start by powering off your Asus GL553V and unplugging it from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. There are typically around 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully take them out and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Remember, it's essential to use the correct size screwdriver to prevent stripping the screws. Once the screws are removed, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging the clips. This is where you can access the internal components of your laptop. For warranty claims, it's crucial to document any issues you're experiencing. Take photos of the internal components, especially if there are visible signs of damage or wear. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, making it easier for you to get an expert opinion. Now, let's talk about cleaning. Dust buildup can cause overheating and performance issues. Using your microfiber cloth, gently wipe down the fans and vents. If you notice excessive dust, consider using compressed air to blow it out. This can significantly improve airflow and cooling performance. If you find yourself needing more assistance, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home. This means you won't need to worry about traveling or making phone calls to arrange repairs. Just sit back and let us handle the logistics for you. After cleaning, check for any loose connections, especially on the RAM and hard drive. Reseating these components can sometimes resolve issues without the need for further repairs. If everything looks good, carefully replace the bottom panel and screw it back into place. Now, if your laptop is still under warranty and you've performed these steps but still encounter problems, it's time to prepare for a warranty claim. Before sending it in, you can get a quote before repair from our specialists, ensuring you understand any potential costs up front. Finally, power on your Asus GL553V to see if the issue persists. If it does, don't hesitate to reach out for our services. We're here to help you every step of the way, ensuring your laptop is running smoothly again. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.